Hi kids, today we are going to check how we can solve some exercises of the Cambridge Reading and Writing Test. So I'm going to give you some advice. We are going to start solving some exercises together for you to understand, okay? So I'm going to share this document, okay? This is not the example. The exercises are very similar. In part one, okay, you have to look and read and choose the correct words and write them on the lines. It's very similar to the Cambridge test, okay? First of all, you have to check what the sentence says, okay? First, you observe the pictures, okay? Doctor, stomachache, headache, nurse, earache, and hospital. After that, you look at the example. Go to see this person when you are not well and is the doctor, okay? Then my recommendation is to read all the questions. When your ear hurts, you might have this. When you get hurt, you can go here. When your head hurts, you might have this. These persons can help you when you are not well. Do not eat bad food because you might get this, okay? So now you have the idea of what the exercise is about, okay? We know that the exercise is about doctors and when we feel bad, okay, an illness. So when your ear hurts, you might have this. You must find a clue word in the sentence. In this case, the clue word is ear, and also a clue word hurts, okay? So ear hurts. Which word is related to ear? Okay, so I say, okay, earache. And then you have to write it on the line. Be very careful when you write on the lines because you must do it with the correct spelling, okay? In this case, it's written like this, earache. Okay, you are copying, so you mustn't have any problems with the spelling. Okay, let's do the next one. When you get hurt, you can go here. Okay, so the clue words are hurt and go here. Okay, go here means visit. So which word refers to a place or go? It's a hospital. Okay, so you copy the word correctly and it's going to be hospital. Okay, and that's all. Let's go with number 3. When your head hurts, you might have this. Find the clue word head and hurts. So which word is similar? Head, okay, headache. So you just copy the word correctly, headache, okay? And that's all. Then this person can help you when you are not well. Which doctor is a person, nurse is a person, but we have already used doctor. So here we said that the clue word is person. Person. So it's a nurse. You just have to copy correctly. Okay, that's all. Then not eat bad food because you might get this. Eat is a clue word. Eat refers, okay, eat and food are the clue words. Eat and food, you refer to which part of the stomach, okay? So you just copy the word stomach ache, stomach ache, okay? And this is how we can solve part 1, okay? First, remember, look at the pictures, read the sentences, and then start finding clue words. Let's have a look at the next exercise, okay? Example, remember, these exercises are similar, they are not the same, okay? What does Dr. Peter look like? Read the text, look at the pictures, write the correct words on the lines, then draw a picture of Dr. Peter. There is one example. Dr. Peter is not fat, okay? And here we have some words. We are talking about the doctor, okay? This is fat. Then we have number one. Let's imagine let's write some words, okay? This is thin, okay? Thin. Then this is called bird, and this is called mustache. We are making these exercises because these words appear many times in the test, okay? This kind of hair, curly hair, and straight hair, okay? So we have the words. Now we have to complete, okay? For example, Dr. Peter is not fat or other characteristic or thin, no? His blonde hair is, well, we can select, is straight, not curly. Then he has a mustache. We can, in this case, we can select what we want. He has a mustache. But no birth. Okay, so with this information, we can imagine the doctor and we could make the picture of the doctor. Okay, let's take a look at the next activity. It says, what's the matter? Tell the nurse which part of your body hurts. Okay, we are going to review some body parts. Write words on the lines. There is one example. Okay, the question says, what's the matter? Okay, what's the matter means what's the problem? Okay, what's the matter? Okay, we have the example there. What's the matter? What's, here we're missing the matter. Here. What's the matter? Here, what are we missing? What's the matter? Okay, and what's the matter? Okay, so if someone asks you, what's the matter? What's the problem? Okay, my arm hurts. What is the name of this? Remember? Yes, my back hurts. Here, what's the name of this? My neck hurts. What is the meaning of this? Well, the name for this, my shoulder. Remember this? Shoulder. This one, we saw it a moment ago, stomach. Okay, my stomach hurts. And what's how do we say this? My leg hurts. Okay, so today we practiced some vocabulary about physical characteristics. Look at this: thin, fat, curly, straight mustache, and birth. Okay, the new question is what's the matter? And we practiced some body parts: arm, back, neck, shoulder, stomach, and leg. Okay, let's take a look to the next exercise. Okay, this is a very similar exercise to the Cambridge test. Okay, it says look and read, write yes or no. There are two examples. In this kind of exercises during the test, my suggestion is first, observe everything in the picture, okay? Observe people, observe things, observe the colors, okay? Because we are going to write only yes or no, okay? For example, the doctor is very busy today. well, he's very busy. There are many people waiting. Okay, so he's busy. Yes. Everyone is very well. No, they are looking. They are visiting the doctor, so they are not well. They are sick. Okay, so now the nurse is drinking from a cup. If you don't know a word, well, try with another. Here we can find three words. A nurse, we can find a person drinking, and we can find a cup. Okay, so those are my options for this sentence. Okay, so I am going to look at the drawings, and then let's see if someone drinking. Yes, look, there is a person drinking with a cup, and it's a nurse. So I am going to write here that yes. Now let's do another example. Number 2, the doctor has a birth. Okay, first we find the clue word. The clue word is doctor and birth. Okay, let me circle it. Doctor and birth. Okay, and he's a doctor. So does he have a birth? No, he has a mustache. So no birth. Am I right? No. Okay, then a boy has hurt his shoulder. Remember, this is the shoulder. So I have to find a boy. Well, here I can say a boy touching his shoulder. Okay, this is the clue word, shoulder. Okay, and hurt and boy. Okay, so I am going to write here. Yes. Okay, then the man in the sweater is fat. Let's find first of all the clue words. It can be man, sweater, and fat. Okay, so I can find all of those words. So let's see, let's observe the picture. Let's find a fat man. I think he's fat, this one. Okay, so the man in the sweater is fat. Is he wearing a sweater? Yes. Is he a man? Yes. Is he fat? Yes. So the answer is yes. Okay, everyone is drinking water. Okay, the word is everyone. Everyone means all. Everyone is drinking water? Drinking water? No, everyone no. Maybe one person, but everyone? No. Okay, so this is the way we practice with part 2. Let's do activity B. When you are well, you do not need to see the doctor. Complete the sentences with words from the word bank. There is one example. Drinking lots of water is a good idea. Okay, so let's go to the next page. Okay, the word bank is this one. So first I am going to read the sentences and then we have to check. Okay, going for a in the countryside is a good idea. Eat lots of fruit and enjoy playing a favorite. Go to bed when you have a headache and a hot and bread can help you feel better. Our words are vegetables, soup, temperature, walk, and sport. For example, going for a what? Going for a walk, no? In the countryside is another good idea. Eat lots of fruit and vegetables, no? Vegetables is the correct pronunciation. Vegetables, vegetables, okay? Now, enjoying playing a favorite. What can you play from here? A favorite sport. Okay? Go to bed when you have a headache and a what? A temperature. Okay? And hot what? Hot soup and bread can help you feel better. If you have problems during an activity like this, well, you can also start crossing the words, no? First you used walk, so then you have only 4 options. Then you use sport, and you have other options. Then you use temperature, okay? So you can do also that. Let's take a look, have a look at the next exercise. What does the doctor say? Right, why or when? Remember that why is to ask for reasons, and when is to ask for time, okay? So let's see. Did your cough start? Did your cough start? When? I want to know when. I want to know the time, no? Do you think you have a stomach ache? So I'm asking for a reason. I cannot ask about time with this, okay? Why do you think you have a stomach ache? Because this. Did you last take your temperature? I am asking for time. When did you last take your temperature? This one. Did you get this terrible cold? I am asking about the same when. I cannot ask why, no? Why are you sick? Well, because you don't have a reason, no? Didn't you come to see me yesterday? Yes, in this case, I am asking about a reason. Why didn't you come to see me yesterday? Okay, so today we checked parts 1 and 2 of the reading and writing test. Okay, and we checked some vocabulary. So please remember, in the first part of the exam, you have to read very carefully, observe all the pictures, and copy correctly. In the second part of the exam, my suggestion is to observe all the pictures, read the sentences, find clue words, and then you just have to write yes or no. Okay? So in the future, we will check parts 3 and 4. Okay, today we checked parts 1 and 2 of the reading and writing test. See you next time for the Cambridge recommendations.